family, friends, our business associates in India and abroad, friends from media, and our very own MBTs. Very good afternoon to all of you. We have gathered here today to celebrate the 79th Founders Day. This day is very close to our heart because it coincides with the birth anniversary of our founder father, Shri Ashok Kumar Malhotra. Every year we gather to honor his legacy, to reflect on our journey, to celebrate our achievements, and to fill ourselves with another year of hope and determination. We can never thank enough our founder for his continued guidance and blessings on us. पर्सनल तौर पे मैं आज बहुत बड़ा थैंक यू कहना चाहूंगी अपने फाउंडर को, अपने फादर को, कि पापा आपने मुझे इतने खूबसूरत गिफ्ट दिए जिनका कभी मोल नहीं हो सकता। एक बहुत बड़ी दिल से काम करने वाली एमबीटी फैमिली थी। आज पैरेलल इतना दिल लगा के काम करना, इतना जोश से काम करना, इतनी पॉजिटिविटी से काम करने वाली फैमिली थी। इससे बड़ा गिफ्ट शायद ही कोई फादर दे सकता है अपने बच्चों को। Let's put hands together for then another gift. The woman he got married to, my mom. वो एक अद्भुत मिश्रण है इनोसेंस का और उनके अंदर एक मानसिक ताकत है जो उस मासूमियत के पीछे इतनी बड़ी है कि वो मुश्किल से मुश्किल वक्त में भी हमारे साथ पिलर की तरह खड़ी रहती है, टूटती नहीं है। What a gift! जब भी कुछ हम अच्छा करते थे, हम में से कोई भी, मैं, सोनिका या टीम, प्यार से बस कंधा थपथपाते थे और कहते थे कि बहुत अच्छा किया। इतने में ऐसा लगता था कि दुनिया के सब अवार्ड जीते। और वही उनकी एक छोटी सी स्माइल होती थी जिससे ऐसा लगता था हर तरफ प्रकाश फैल गया। आज वो स्माइल मुझे मेरी सिस्टर में नजर आती है। मैंने इसको बहुत बार ये कहा है कि मुझे ऐसी कई बातें हैं जो जब मैं तुझे देखती हूँ तो मुझे पापा की याद दिलाती है। उसकी इंटेलिजेंस, उसकी विजन, उसका हार्डवर्क, उसके लिए एमबीटी सबसे पहले आता है। कुछ काम था की वजह से ये लंदन में थी, आज सुबह 4 बजे आई हैं अपने जो 2 छोटे बच्चों के साथ। फिर भी आज इस वक्त यहाँ मौजूद है कि मुझे अपने परिवार के साथ ये दिन मनाना है। एमबीटी के क्षितिज पर चमकता हुआ सूरज है हमारे फाउंडर। और उनके प्रकाश से आज हमारा या हर दिन एमबीटी ग्रुप में प्रकाश फैलता है, रोशनी फैलती है। कहते थे पापा कि अगर सूरज की तरह चमकना है तो रोज उगना सीखो, रोज बढ़ना सीखो, रोज जलना सीखो और अपने आप को तराशो। मुझे याद है कोरोना के दौरान कुछ इस तरह का माहौल था सबकी जिंदगियों में, चाहे वो पर्सनल लाइफ थी, चाहे वो प्रोफेशनल लाइफ थी, हर जगह एक कोहरा सा था, अंधकार सा था। रोज आदत है आके सबसे ऑफिस आना, पापा को मिलना, उनके ऑफिस जाना, फिर एम्बिडियंस को मिलना, उनसे नई बातें सीखनी, कुछ उनको सिखाना। वो सिलसिला टूटा, हर के घर में भी कुछ ना कुछ दिक्कत थी। एक दिन यूं ही ऐसे घर पे भी हम बहुत इस बात की चर्चा करते थे कि आगे क्या है, दुनिया किस तरफ जा रही है। एक दिन यूं ही बात कर रही थी मैं हमारे सीईओ प्रवीण सिंह से कि ग्रुप और हमारी फैमिली, अभी जो ये धुंधलापन है, ये कैसे हम उसको दूर कर सकते हैं। बहुत सारी ऐसी डिस्कशंस हुई फैमिली के साथ, फ्रेंड्स के साथ, तो एक ही बात समझ में आई। एक दिन उसने कहा कि पहले प्रकाश देने वाले अशोक थे, अब प्रकाश फिर फैलाने वाले अशोका ही होगा। आज भी हर धुंध से, हर अंधकार से निकालने के लिए हमारे फाउंडर ही हमें रास्ता दिखाएंगे। उसके बाद तो उसके अंदर न जाने कौन सा जोश आया, वो इस प्रकाश को फैलाने के लिए, मेरे ख्याल से यहाँ बहुत सारे लोग, सारे सेल्स ऑफिसर से बैठे हैं, शायद ही कोई इंसान, कोई ऐसा सेल्स रिसोर्स होगा जिसके साथ उसने दौड़ ना लगाई हो, वो भागा ना हो, उसने ट्रेनिंग ना दी हो। पहला साल था, कहते थे मैम इनको भेज दो, ऑर्डर मिल जाएगा, प्रवीण सिंह को भेज दो। आज ट्रेनिंग कराने के बाद से ग्रुप ने भी इन्वेस्ट किया, उसने शायद मैं कहूंगी कि उनका आखिरी कतरा तक दिया। आज हर टीम मेंबर कहता है कि मैं अशोका हूं और मैं जीत के दिखाऊंगा। I want to personally thank our CEO Mr. Praveen Singh to bring this transformation. Very humbly but yet proudly, I want to share that we have grown from 300 to 3,300 plus schools in 3 years, and we are the market leaders. Thank you so much, team, for bringing this transformation. This 11x growth is a testament that why and our customers are believing in us, that they believe in us. This is a testament. Not only the customers, the consumers, but also the industry has recognized our performance by giving us huge awards and applause. Naming a few, EdTech Company of the Year, Brand of the Year, Best Online Platform of the Year, and so on and so forth. अगर मैं कहूं कि सिर्फ सेल्स वालों ने किया, तो मुझे पापा की वो बात याद आती है, कुछ भी मैं नहीं होता, हर चीज हम होती है। इस हम में और बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स आते हैं, एडिटोरियल, सप्लाई चेन ने तो रिमार्केबल ही काम किया इस बारी। एडिटोरियल बहुत उम्दा कंटेंट हमें प्रोवाइड किया, नई नई चीजें और इनोवेशन प्रोवाइड करी। ट्रेनिंग, हमारी ट्रेनिंग पूरे इंडिया वाइड में बहुत सराही जाती है। आई कांग्रेचुलेट द ट्रेनर्स। आईटी बैकबोन है इस अशोका ब्लेंडेड लर्निंग सॉल्यूशन की, और हम हर दिन उसमें इनोवेशन नहीं करते रहते हैं। चाहे वो एआई के माध्यम से हो, चाहे वो रोबोटिक्स के माध्यम से हो, हम अपने कंज्यूमर को अच्छे से अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस देने के लिए इनोवेशन पे जुटे रहते हैं। आईटी डिपार्टमेंट हैज डन ए वंडरफुल जॉब, एंड also if you talk about operations department, admin, accounts, all of them have left no stone unturned to bring Ashoka to where it is today. It's not easy to pack each child's bag from our warehouse to ship it to the every corner of the country, whichever location it can be. बहुत कंपटीशन था। कंपटीशन स्पेशली आई कर रहा था कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो नेशनल पब्लिशर है, चाहे वो इंटरनेशनल पब्लिशर है, वो ये देख रहे थे कि ऐसा ये क्या कर रहे हैं कि ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आ रही है। Amidst this competition being strong for us, I'm happy to share we not only crossed the 1900 mark of the last year, we did humongous figure of 3,300 plus schools adoption for under Ashoka. And this makes us a leader in B2B segment, in K-12 segment in India. Innovation has not stopped here. And I want to mention another thing. This 3,300 schools, another facet I want to mention that each branch of ours have crossed 3 digits in adoption of schools. Highest being would be Punjab and UP with 300 plus and 400 plus schools respectively. Clap for us, yourself guys at least. Not stopping the innovation, carrying forward the legacy of our founder father of constantly innovating and bringing new products. We made products for international market. Ashoka Biscuits. This product deals with the foundation literacy, numeracy, and computational skills. This gives hands-on experience to each child to participate and to do and learn things by doing. We also have launched AI STEAM Lab for international market. Under this, for children age group above 8, we give them an environment to work and sharpen their robotic skills. So much so, we make sure they are prepared for the 21st century skills. And I'm happy to share that we have already started getting very encouraging orders from international region. Sonika. बहुत मन करता है इसके बारे में बहुत बातें करती रहूं. What a leader. She's just not a leader, she's a phenomenon. Unwavering determination. Her pursuit for excellence, her pursuit for perfection is pivotal to the growth in the growth of each vertical of MBD. Let's put our hands together for this young lady. She leaves no stone unturned to bring happiness to each one of us. I remember in 2010, she was the one who conceived that we should celebrate Founders Day on Papa's birthday. Year on year, she said we want to improve, we want to bring a better result of Founders Day, we want to celebrate Papa's birthday in a better way, we want to connect to each MBDian in a furthermore far better way. And it's all because of her, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together for her. Hospitality. Our flagship properties, the Red Blue MBD, Noida and Ludhiana, Ladies and gentlemen, they have done the highest revenue since inception this year. Let's put your hands together for this team. Commendable job they have done. The way they have come out of Corona and they have come up with a bang. And since inception, the highest revenue figures they have done. Not only that, they have bagged various awards. Center of Excellence Recognition Award from Radisson Hotel Group. 3 years in a row we have been getting award, and this year we have bagged #1 prize in the entire RHG group this year. We have also been recognized for the RGI, the revenue figures which we have achieved by RHG, and this we have been trendsetters this year, not only for this, but for two very great awards, great recognitions. One is Green Key. Again, following the steps of our founder father to become responsible corporates. We wanted to think about the conservation of energies. We wanted to think about equality at work. We wanted to think about environment at large. And our team, Parmeet and team, Sonika and team Parmeet has, with his team, has invested hours and hours and months of work to get this certification. We left no stone unturned to make our properties sustainable. And we've been the trendsetters again in the entire Radisson Hotel Group in India. We are the pioneers to get this certification. Then is Safe Hotels. Safe Hotels had 265 or 255 parameters. Again, a long journey, hours of work under the guidance of Sonika, Parmeet and team. This was a very difficult one. But I'm so happy that again we are the pioneers to achieve this certification in the entire group. Malls. Yet another year where we have given exceptional experience to our consumers in terms of retail, dining experience and entertainment. We have brought many new brands to the mall, to our mall and to the city. Naming a few is Adidas Kids, Kurbat and Sephora. Also I want to mention this will be the first flagship store in Punjab in our mall. I'm also thrilled to announce the sign-up of One Communate. They're bringing next level of dining experience in our property in Ludhiana. Big one now. We have successfully launched MBD Group in abroad, in United Kingdom, with our commercial and residential projects. With this we emphasize again that as a group, we want to do all our projects with utmost professionalism and to exceed expectations of the consumers. And ladies and gentlemen, with these projects internationally, we have proved that again. The way Sonika has worked year after year to select the best of the projects abroad and to have the first foot correct. And then today we are doing many projects internationally under her guidance. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for this young lady. As I said, I can write a book on her. So there's a lot I want to say. whenever I talk to all of you, I get emotional. There's so much I want to share always. I am the happiest when my entire family is with me. CSR. Our founder father always said that we should give back to society. It is important as an individual, as a group. Taking that legacy forward, our chairperson, Shrimati Satish Bala Malhotra, has always done various initiatives under CSR to bring smiles and blessings for our group. As I've always said, we can do as much hard work we want to. We can do as many Excel sheets we want to. We can do as much research. If blessings are not there with you, nothing will see the light of the day. She especially brings these smiles and blessings to the group. Thank you so much, Mom, for doing that. We have done Love to Learn initiative in a very big way, whereby we reimagine the classrooms, digitize them, bring newer technologies, labs, English language lab, robotics lab, coding lab, and we make sure whatever the resources required in terms of uplifting the education in a particular institution, we provide them. This year, we have done a special initiative. This one is very close to heart, that we have, as our chairperson previously mentioned in her speech, that we have launched robotics and coding lab in Sainda School, Jalandhar, where my father completed his studies. She goes as far as meeting the people in old age home, in various NGOs, to share a meal, to share a smile, listen to them, what they need, and whatever we can provide them. Thank you so much, Mom. Together, we have come a long way. Together, we have to still go a long way. We have to achieve many miles, do many achievements. जैसा कि मैंने पहले कहा था अभी कि सूरज की तरह चमकना है तो उगना सीखो। तो सूरज की तरह जलना सीखो, प्रकाश फैलाना सीखो। पौधा भी, हर एक हरा भरा पौधा भी मुरझा जाता है अगर उसकी परवरिश छांव में होती है। I want to, in the end, as I always take a pledge from all of you. Are we ready for the pledge? Okay. So this year is Uttishtata Jagrita Prapravarya Nibodhata. उठो, जागो और तब तक काम करते रहो जब तक लक्ष्य प्राप्त नहीं हो जाता। Do we pledge? Do we pledge? Okay, thank you very much. I'm hoping to meet you next year also with lot more achievements which we can deliver and then put it across to our founder father. Thank you so much for being a true MBDian. Lots of love to you, blessings, and all the very best.